If you're in Blender and you're seeing these blue edges and they're distracting and you don't want to see them anymore, I'm going to show you how to get rid of them. So first off, you have to be in edit mode. So just tab to edit mode if you're not there already, or you can switch it up there at the top left-hand corner. And then you're going to select A on your keyboard. That will select all. Then you're going to right click and go to clear sharp. That will clear the sharp edges, but that's not the last step. We're going to go into object mode now. So you can tab into object mode or just switch it at the top. You're going to now right click, and then you're going to shade flat. That will give you the same shading you had before, but without the blue edges. So you're still going to have those sharp edges, but you're not going to see blue like you did. So that's it. I hope this helped, and join me for more tutorials in Blender.